I couldn't run, I couldn't walk, I couldn't eat, I couldn't sleep. I was hospitalized for a month. The first 3 days, I had over 32 doctors coming in my rooms, examining my pelvis because it was the biggest tumor they had seen in 10 years. It's the size of a large grapefruit, they told me. I'm so thankful to have God by my side and my family and friends and the great nurses at Tampa General Hospital and Dr. Debbie. And I'm so thankful that everyone just stayed strong for me. I was so sick, we couldn't drive there in the beginning, so I'd have to go there in the back of the ambulance for multiple treatments. I had over 30 radiation treatments. Every month when I would come back, my hope was my animals. And I would make my mom push me out in the yard in my wheelchair because I just had to see them. So after months and months and months of just struggling in the hospital, it started paying off. It started gradually getting better. My nurses, oh my gosh, they're lifesavers. If I wouldn't have had the relationships I had with them, if they wouldn't have been so positive and loving with me, I don't think I would have made it, because it was like, I was so excited to go to the hospital to see them every month. I was so excited. And like, there's a love that nurses have for their patients that nobody can understand. Like, I'm still all friends with my nurses. I still go back to Tampa General to see them. And they're lifesavers. About 2 years ago, right before New Year's for 2013, it hit my mom on New Year's, the December 31st, that people had to know. It was a story that everyone needed to know. So I was out with a friend that day, and we drove past the fence, and I saw this blue writing, and I was so confused. So I ran inside and trying to find my mom, and my mom was standing in the kitchen with blue spray paint on her hands. I was like, Mom, what did you do? And she's just like, well, someone had to know. And so she was like, yeah, I spray painted the fence. We went outside to look at it again, and I was like, it was just so funny to me, because that's such a thing my mom would do.